everyone, good morning. This is your friend, your educator, Luis Rodriguez. We are live again. Live on today is what day is today? Is August? No, yeah, August the 29th. I don't even know the date. That's a good thing about being a trader. You don't even know what day is today. August the 29th, 2025. And we are ready to look at the market and look for trading opportunities as usual and make some money. Let's get going, familia. All right. So let me pay close attention to this move of the market. And also take a sneak peek of the news. We got 14 minutes before. Okay, so not much going on today. Other than this, core PCE came even. All this information came even at 8:30, so that's normal. Okay, so we got a little bit of a push right at 8:30. Beautiful. But the market has been consolidating, obviously coming from Asia all over here. So this is supposed to be a little bit of manipulation. Didn't happen. Didn't grab liquidity from the top or the bottom. It has been consolidating in this area, and it's a pretty good. Okay. This behavior of the market, I've seen it many times, where it does like a ladder backwards, moving up but backwards. That's smart. Okay. People will think that there's liquidity sitting around this area, but they don't realize what happened here with the news. All that stuff was already cleared out. They can say, oh, it's unmitigated, but the biggest target will be around these areas here on the market again. Whoever was trailing stop this entire session, it's already out of the way. So the market is gonna fall down. It's truly gonna go and seek for bigger areas today. Truly, it's gonna seek for bigger areas today that have not been mitigated at all. If that's the purpose of the market today. Technically speaking, hello Tony, hello Angie, hello everyone. Technically speaking, we are still in an uptrend, but always going to be a little bit of manipulation, seeking for liquidity and clearing out liquidity. What's up with the SP 500 here? SP 500 is in La La Land right now. See this point here? The very bottom? Technically, this is where it can target to the SP 500. It's really hard to say. We got to look into higher time frames. Oh, not there, here. We need to understand the purpose of the market right now. Okay, so correction, moving up, correction. If this is an Elliott wave, I'm gonna take a little bit of this, a lot of this noise here. Today is Friday, you know, anything can happen. So starting off, let's make sure that you guys are not trading like crazy, right? Just reduce your risk on any trade by control your lot sizes. Just reduce it a lot, right? And it's really hard to see it's a little bit hard to see what the purpose of the market is right now. If you technically speaking are looking at everything, you can say it will continue the rally pushing up. But liquidity wise, it's makes some sense for the market to just drop. But hey, I'm not the market makers. Investors are going to be targeting areas today that they will be definitely clearing out a bunch of stuff. Now you guys see every single element that we mentioned and we talk about, it has been mitigated. Whatever we put that X, familia, it's on the spot. This is old stuff. I'm gonna just delete it. This entire week we have been crashing it, so we have to be extremely careful to that. Just reduce your risk a lot, okay? We got 9 minutes for the market to open. That's enough time for me to do everything as expected. Okay, now I'm gonna turn this on so you guys understand what liquidity is doing right now. I'm gonna expect a little bit of manipulation going back to the London low around this area, okay? Around this area today. If irrespected, definitely we have a long run pushing the market back up again. But the question is, where is liquidity sitting right now? The entire market just came down in London really far. Are we gonna see a continuation to that rally pushing the market here? Around this area, and not even here, familia, like here, all the way here, or even further. We gotta see. Okay? When the market starts, obviously there's gonna be a lot of manipulation. The closest point right now seems to be the bottom part here to clear everybody up. It was well respected. 1, 2, 3. It can potentially come back there and bounce up. But if you're looking at the bias, start counting how many times this was broken, especially after this is a news event spike. This here is a news event spike, so be careful, okay? It's just, this is a continuation pattern. Should have continued pushing down, then poof, pushing the market up, but it truly stopped here. See this here? It truly stopped there, pushing the market back down. Liquidity was sitting there. It's cleared now. They're gonna be looking for bigger areas today, for sure. Bigger areas. So we're gonna have two targets right now. Two key targets on the market. Around here, this entire area. That is a London high and Asia low right there. Or the main one, which is down here. To me, the main one is right there. But I'm not gonna open any trades until I see the behavior of the market. It might start going up and down everywhere today, and just be careful from it, all right? Good morning, Judge. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Andrea, Tony. Good morning, everyone. Let's be careful with this market, because we can see a lot going on. It's Friday. Again, I usually don't trade Fridays, but I've been trading Fridays almost like an entire year. So you guys know it. I'm just really careful with Fridays. I put in my mind that I have to be very careful by experience. It's always the opposite of what you believe. All right. All right, familia. So if you're new to this group, remember to hit that like button and subscribe just to help us to grow our community. And if you want to be part of the amazing EW Army in our WhatsApp group, just scan that barcode. You see right here below. You come and join us. It's a really cool familia there. Awesome. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. What is AI telling us? Let's see what AI is telling us. The next 5 minutes. I don't even have my broker loaded. Hold on a sec. Okay, I'm just loading my broker. And let's see. All right. Okay. We are ready to go. Ready? Let's go. Let's get in, boys. All right, so game plan for today. Obviously, if let's say market start, boom, pushing the market back up, let's look for sales around these areas. Okay. Look, even AI saying there's nothing good in NASDAQ right now. I'm gonna watch the market right now. I'm gonna mainly watch the market. Look for A+ setups right now, and there isn't any A+ setup. The market seems to be pushing back up right now, but we are in a downtrend. We should be focusing selling the market, targeting this area here. But if it does come even to these areas here, there's gonna be for sure some sort of reactions here. There's gonna be some sort of reaction in this area, the same way that has happened in the past 3 times before it goes down to the ultimate goal, which is all the way down there. We got 2 minutes for the market to open. 2 minutes, Amelia. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let's get going. Let's get ready, familia. Let's get ready. All right. Any questions, Amelia? You guys have any questions for me at the moment? We're gonna kill this shortly. 1 minute for the market to open, doing a nice retracement. Nice retracement. Then we have a huge gap for the market to open all the way up. So I'm gonna, you know what? Yeah. There you go. It's just coming down. 30 minutes for the market to open. $30 minutes for the market to open. 30 minutes for the market to open. Let's see. 30 minutes is 5 seconds. I'm crazy. I mean, sorry. It's not 30 minutes. There you go. Going up. Market open. Let's go. Let's see. I'm not in any trade yet. I'm gonna focus in selling the market mainly. There you go. Selling. Selling. That was a nice pullback. On a pullback, I'm gonna sell the market again. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. Yep. Indicator already gave me the trade here. Let's go. We're gonna be selling the market, targeting this area here. But if it does come here, familia, get ready to buy. Get ready, traders. Get ready on the pullback. Let's see. Nice pullback. Ah, I took it too late. Anybody in this sell? Anybody selling the market? Okay, it's coming to the area again, bouncing off. Let's see. A lot of manipulation. You see how the market is behaving right now? A lot of manipulation going on. Not a lot of movement. When the market started. Come on. Do what you gotta do. Come on, do what you gotta do. You see, familia, like exactly like as an investor looking at the market right now, they are the same way I started today. They're probably not sure whether either follow the crowd or come and put something in play. I mean, you guys see it. You guys see it, right? The same way I see it, right? They understand where liquidity is sitting. They know where things are sitting, but if they're not decided, they're waiting for the other guy to go and do the play for them. But a stock retreat following the high PCE inflation. Yeah, correct. Inflation, my friends. That's why the market is pushing down. And it's gonna continue that rally, just seeking for that liquidity at the bottom, as I said. Gotta focus in these areas of the market. Anybody selling the market? Anybody selling the market? We should be making money right now. I'm already 2-0 on a sell, and on the pullback, I'm selling the market. Let's go. Come on. Let go, baby. But it's a slow start. Very slow start. I have to be smart enough to switch my hat pretty quick. And around this area here, there's a nice gap, like a huge gap. And that's the main purpose right now, like grabbing liquidity. Because here, this entire area, there's a huge gap of price that will, once it grab fuel, as I said, it will grab these elements on the very top. And all of this will be filled, probably for the rest of the day. But he's seeking for that liquidity below London low. And I take advantage of that, obviously, doing some impact trading. Been selling the market. And now, let's see. Is it gonna react nicely or what? There you go. Yes, yes. What is the market doing to us today? Just be careful, familia. It could come aggressively, push down here and then push up, or push down and continue the rally down. Okay. But again, it's from the morning since it started. It's a sell that got pretty good. So far, 3, you know. 3-0, 3-0. Don't get desperate, okay? Don't get desperate. Just wait for your opportunity. Wait for your opportunity. Just wait, all right? Just wait. Wait for your opportunity. Don't go crazy. Wait for it, all right? If you're not in a sell, just wait for it. Wait for your chance to get in. Because the move already happened since we started selling the market. But we know what is the target. I'm on a trailing stop right now. I am in a trailing stop. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. All right, let's go, familia. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Even when it's just nuts, familia. This is nuts. This is not. So the question is, you say, okay, Luisito, you said that it broke this. You see, familia, what I'm talking about? Look at that, 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 look at that. The beauty of knowing how the market moves, it just is a reaction of whatever was here. It's a reaction of whatever was pending here, clearing that liquidity. That's what you guys are seeing here. The question is that gonna be enough to bring the market back up right now as we speak? The biggest point right now is this here, but there's liquidity pending order resting around this area, as I mentioned. And that's a reaction you guys are seeing of the market right now. Is that gonna be enough to bring the market up, or is it gonna continue pushing down? Those are questions that you guys should be asking. But the main move that's starting from here already came to the area that I mentioned already. So money, there's money there. Done deal. You guys see it, right? It's just reading price action, understanding the micro movement of the market so you can take advantage of that, make money, get out. Don't stay here. If you make your money already, get out. Now, if you're looking for an intraday, like you're looking for bigger movement of the market, then you gotta wait for your targets and then ride the rally, which is starting. It's the first 9 minutes of the market. You guys see it. It was really hard to understand where things are going, but just reading the market and understanding what liquidity is saying gives you a clear way of where things could be heading, and that's how we figure this out. That's how we broke the code today. All right, look at that, familia. Look at that. Seeking for the bigger areas, to then push the market back into the opposite direction. And as I said, my observations for an intraday, there's a huge gap here, huge gap. And I'm not talking about fair value gaps. I'm talking about gaps in terms of volume. And the market will tend to go back there probably for the rest of the day. I'm not sure. But this is the target for me, the ultimate target to grab liquidity, bigger areas. And probably a little bit lower too because of inducement. Inducement of price. Okay, I'm gonna delete this so you guys don't get confused. This was just a visual, okay? This was just a visual. Oh my God, nice imbalance created. Nice imbalance created. Is a rally going to continue to the downside or to the upside? Let's see. To win in this market, again, you need to reduce those contracts. Just reduce it. Play it safe. Don't get greedy. It is a Friday. If you make $200, be happy. Okay. If you make $50, be happy. Don't try to hit home runs all the time, because that's what really kills accounts. I'm giving you the bias of the market so you guys understand where things are flowing, right? Who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want to know where the market is going every morning? I'm giving it to you. Let's go, Lisa. Let's go, Lisa. Making money. Making money. That's good. I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys. But understand where are these areas and where things are flowing is super important. Okay. You guys see it every morning. We're crashing, and imagine doing that every single day. Like that, have that knowledge to be able to do that every single day. And I'm open to have stop losses. I'm super open to that. Have that, because that's a safe. That's a safety that I have for my trades that they don't go that my way. But come on, like so far right now, I am up by a lot of money, and literally just 4-0. I let the market kick me out and wait for my next opportunity. Just reading all this stuff, slowly and steady, slowly and steady. Slowly and steady. That's what we got to do. You guys see the reaction of the market coming down here? That could be a nice trailing stop. I started on that movement of the market, but makes no sense for me to even follow that. Just reduce your risk, okay, familia? Wow, that was a nice push. Selling the market, selling the market, selling the market. And if you follow Elliott waves, I'm gonna now see more details of what's going on. I'm gonna go into the 1 minute time frame. I'm gonna go into the 1 minute time frame. If you follow Elliott waves, you guys can see that this here, it is a correction. It is a correction. Potentially, I'm gonna, hold on, this is too much on my little screen. Starting all the way from here, right? All the way to the very top here, coming down, okay? He broke the channel, obviously seeking for liquidity. When that happens, you just need to extend this, expand it. Okay, I'm just looking at something here quickly. Okay. For those intraday traders, start getting ready to buy the market once you reach these levels, okay? That's what is called buying in the deep. Buying in the deep, okay? My goodness. It's coming. It's coming to town. I am trailing stop this thing. Let's go. My goodness, we're making money, familia. We're making money. Oh my God. OMG. Yeah, baby. Yeah, we're getting money. We're getting money. That rally is still happening. That rally is still happening from the top. It's starting from the top. Now we're here. Yes. Make it rain, familia. Make it rain. Make it rain. I'm giving you the bias. Do we have a sausage or what? A sauce, not a sausage. Oh, yeah. There you go, familia. There you go. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Bam, bam, bam. My God, familia. Whatever I put that X, it is like sniper shot. Sniper shots every morning, familia. Every morning. Just giving it to you guys for free in YouTube. If you guys want to make money, just come to YouTube and watch this stuff. Crazy. 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 Boom. 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 Let's go, familia. Let's flipping go. My God. Jesus. 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 What's going on? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You guys see it, familia. We're crushing it every morning. This entire week, it's all there on YouTube for you guys to watch it. Like, if you guys miss this replay, you guys can come and see it. You guys can come and see it every morning and see the mentality of a pro trader coming in play every morning. Every morning. This is the squeeze, and why I call it the squeeze, because it's a trade that I usually don't trade, and I'm squeezing a trade through it. But familia, it's a done deal already. It's a done deal. Only in the first 30 minutes of the day already, making the move of the day. Like, now for those who are looking for intraday, like long runs, we are hitting the area that you can consider now buying, but you have to wait for a lot of confluences before making that decision. Okay? I mean, if the market is selling, why are you buying? That's what I'm saying. You gotta have a good reason, not just because it looks pretty and it went there. Oh my God, yeah, it's already there, so now it's gonna go up. No. Understand the flow of the market. It's pushing down. Did it feel their purpose to find enough order blocks that will push the market up? Remember that what pushes the market up is a transaction. It's not somebody like thinking that it's gonna go up. It's a transaction. Did it find enough transactions that is going to give continuity to price moving up? That's a question you guys should be asking. Is there enough there? No? So it's gonna go to the next area, which is at the bottom. Yes, you will see a reaction, and that's your confirmation of price pushing up. All right? If you guys agree with that, please click that like button, familia. Please just help the community. Click that like button in YouTube. Help us to grow the community. I really appreciate that, familia. I'm giving you a lot of information for free. Let's go. Hey, Diaz, if you are on this rally, congratulations. Anybody that's making money with us, congratulations. Just following what we talk about in the morning. We do have a VIP group that I've been doing some private lives there. I'm gonna be doing a lot more, actually. I'm just finishing up with this setups for YouTube, and I'm gonna be focusing now on the other side a lot more. So we're gonna be doing more stuff for the VIP, so you guys know. And part of it is going to be a follow-up with a challenge that we had of flipping accounts from small to big. So for those who want to join us or just watch, because I'm going to do it on my own, I'm going to send you my live trades on those chats, and you guys can just watch if you guys want it. Don't need to take it. These are going to be my personal trades, and I'm going to send the post of the results in there, not just the trade alert, but also the results of my own personal trades on it, so you guys can see these accounts growing. And it's going to be intraday. I announced it a few days ago. I'm just putting all that stuff together. And let's see how it's gonna take us. I'm not gonna have an end goal for that. There's a lot of people say, oh yeah, we're gonna go to $1 million. This time I'm gonna put in a goal. If you guys wanna make $3,000, go ahead. If you guys wanna make 10,000, go ahead. If you wanna make 20,000, go ahead. I'm gonna take as far as I can. I'm personally gonna take it as far as I can for you guys in front of you. And it's gonna be recorded for you guys to watch it, all right? But that's gonna be part of the VIP as well. Not just the signals, but also how to get the market. All right. I'm kind of liking a buy right now, but I need to see an MSS on that area. It's respecting a lot an area. On a pullback, I might be buying. Let's see. Okay. In the reason why you see this fair value gap, that's the pullback I'm talking about. I'm gonna buy with a very small contract, because it could come still pushing down, but it's fighting the zone. It's fighting it. Let's see. I'm gonna buy now. I'm just gonna buy now and do. I'm gonna do what do you call it? Step lot. Add more positions as it comes down, just in case. It's gonna come down. It's gonna come to us. It's gonna fill up this entire fair value gap, and then push the market up. So get ready, familia, to buy around this area. A stop loss below this point, okay? Stop loss below this point. Okay, it's crushing the market up slowly but steady. I am, as I said, I'm buying right now. Oh my God, already. Oof. Oof. Ugh. It kicked me out on a trailing stop. 6-0 so far. 6-0. Let's see. Waiting for my other opportunity because I bought there when it broke that push. Activating my trailing stop. Let's see. It's gonna come to us, okay? I just don't like that rejection here. That rejection was not nice. I'm gonna buy as low as I can. If it does come low, I'm gonna buy again as low as I can. And it's better because now I can put my stop loss a lot shorter, okay? Remember, your stop loss should be around here. Your stop loss should be around here. Tightest stop loss. Your stop loss should be around here. Long position. There you go. Activate it. Activate it. And please just do like one contract, very small. Don't go crazy because this could be a fake movement and push the market even lower because of inducement of price. Inducement is telling me that the price can come here. But I just don't want to miss the opportunity of buying where it's supposed to happen, right? Technically speaking. There's a technical aspect of the market that is happening here, and right now, if you're in the trade, because that's the entry for us, if you are in the trade, be ready to close 1-to-1. Close 1-to-1 around here. Around here again. Okay. If you are in the buy. If you're not, and if it comes down, just take that as stop loss. Don't extend that as stop loss, because it can come here. There you go. There you go. It's probably gonna just come down and low, much lower. Yep, already clear that out. Ugh, that's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. That's ugly. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming there. It should be hitting a stop loss right now. It should not be winning on this trade. It came aggressively. It's gonna continue pushing down to this area here. Inducement of price, that's what it's telling me. You see how the price literally did a move to trick a bunch of people? Engineer moves. Engineer moves. That is a clear engineer move of the market. How it did a setup here, creating displacement, creating a fake move that it was going to go up, engaging a lot of buyers here, clearing them out. I didn't get into that trade. I didn't get into that trade because I was expecting to come into a much lower point, but it came down aggressively. Okay, I'm going to clear this out. I'll show you guys where I'm at right now. Ugh, my broker is everywhere. Ugh, no, it's, I don't know if you guys can see it there. Oh no, it's there, no. Oh, maybe. I want to put it so you guys can see my trades when I take them. Losing trades 0. That's another account I just switched. 6-0 so far. I need to change my screen. My screen size is too small. I need more real estate here. Only A+ setups, familia. Only A+ setups. Only A+ setups, okay? We are still on a downtrend. Already reached the area that we wanted. Already reached the area that we wanted. But long term, remember what I mentioned, it's going to come back up. It's just doing the simple cycle of the market. Consolidation. Can anybody follow this? What would happen here? Can somebody write in the chat, what is this and what's coming after, based on the cycle? I already gave you step 1, consolidation. It broke it, right? Then it start with an R. It start with an R. I share with you guys all this stuff all the time. All right, I cannot see my, oh, my broker is right here. He's right here. My broker is right here. We are in a downtrend. We are definitely in a downtrend. It's still moving lower. Sellers are dominating. No questions asked. We got a low level here, another low level here. Yep. Inducement. Ooh, what was that about? Holy. They're coming, they're mad. These guys are mad today. Somebody told them no. They're just mad, really mad. Buyers, sellers are coming very aggressive today. This is really rough. Aggressive buyers are kicking in now. Okay. Let's see. You can say, well, you can say I'm gonna continue the rally down, but this market has been aggressively doing a lot of dirty moves. Just reduce your risk, familia. Don't go too crazy about the market. Just go reduce your risk so you can win, okay? A lot of people gave me some answers here. Reversal, retracement, retest. A lot of answers here, but you guys are definitely understanding what's going on here. Well, understanding where the market is supposed to go, yes. A retracement is supposed to happen in retracement. Or call it reversal, however you want it. But that retracement reached to a level and then a continuation of that movement here. Okay? And then the cycle will end up consolidating again and leaving the market ready for Sunday morning, for Sunday night for us. But it's just in a nice rally down. We already reached the levels that we wanted. Hey, it's end of the day for us. It's a good day. Only in half hour we can finish, close our laptop and go golfing or go like visit a friend and visit a family and visit someone. Just that quick. That's the beauty of a scalping, that you're done. You don't need to stick here and go crazy. And if you are in this rally, activate and trailing stop, let it rip. This account is up today only $700.05. It's okay for a Friday. $700. Come on. Can't complain. Can't complain, familia. Can't complain. We are crushing this market. Okay, that familia already reached the levels that we wanted. I'm gonna, for those who are taking our program in the private group, the way that I see the market in a very advanced way, you guys will learn it as well. You guys, I'm expecting that everybody that is taking here this class will also have the same visions I have about the market, because I'm going to make sure, especially with the one-on-ones, I'm going to make sure that you have that. Okay? I promise you guys that. I'm going to make sure that you have it. All right? And then ultimately you're going to be able to do this no problem. Okay? I'm doing a lot of really advanced stuff in my head that I'm not talking about it here, but that's how I determine clear moves of the market, pre-market, right, before the market starts. But again, we're working with probabilities, and if I don't see that high probability move, I don't even talk about it. I don't even say it. Okay? This is all about high probability moves. If nothing is there, you don't think about it. And then setups, and then the strategies. And the strategies that we use a lot is obviously Elliott waves, and how it moves inside of that. It's all about liquidity graph, all about liquidity, everything about liquidity, and understanding where are those resting orders, and understanding how to go and execute these trades is a huge part of it. How to manage those trades. And the reason why I always close 1-to-1, and I don't care what other people out there are doing at the end of the day, is my bank who's seeing these nice numbers every day, because I'm withdrawing every day. Every single day, I'm withdrawing. If you want to be in that rally, come and join us. And the best part is this is recorded for me. I mean, you guys can review it, share it with your friend, and say, "Hey, look at this crazy guy with a hat." You know, what is he doing from his office every morning? Come and join us. Or either you watch it or you join us. You got to take action, right? No questions asked. Just take action. Take control of your life. Don't let situations control your life. We all have debt. We all have situations they're happening. Families getting sick, all that stuff. Grab the bull by the horn and dominate the bull. All right. It's like a little friend that is online. It's a fitness person that he says, or you either are the shark of the water or you're the fish of the water. What are you? What are you gonna be? Are you gonna be the shark of the water or the fish of the water? You're gonna be the shark of the water. You gotta grab that bull by the horn and dominate it. Take action. Just take action. Do it. Come and join it. Just be part of a circle of people that are every day learning and making it. Man, I wish I had that back in the days. I literally just had a person or several people around me telling me what to read. They were not even successful, probably. It's open. What's up, familia? What's up? What's up? What's up? Remember from me that you guys can write on the chat whatever questions you may have, okay? Don't be afraid. Just write questions. This is an opportunity for you to be direct with me and just say whatever you want on that chat. That's yours. Destroy it. Put any questions you guys want. The same way that we're killing the market right now. Those are that you should take that chat and just destroy it. All right, so I'm gonna go into a higher time frame. See, ooh, nice. Wow, literally. Wow, familia, what in the world is going on? Are we killing the market or what? The market didn't explode to the upside. Obviously, no confirmation. It's just continuing the rally, pushing down everything that we mentioned, just pushing the entire market down. This point here, it looks very good to what we say. And he's finding liquidity that it was sitting around this area too. But is that enough to push the market up? Nobody knows. Also, the PCE numbers were breaking even, and inflation is taking a big toll on that. Let me see DXY. Ooh, oh, wait a minute. More financial consumer sentiment about 11% above April and May, but remains about 10% below. Hey, what are you doing, Nas? Let me see gold quickly. Oh, look at gold, 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 gold. Gold. Wow. It is pushing like crazy up. Wow. Okay, now I see what you're doing, my friend. I understand your kung fu. Let's do a nice kung fu here. So, save heaven. That's what is going on. Save heaven. Save heaven. Save heaven rally. So, how far is this save heaven going? Save heaven rally. Oh, wait a minute. I think I put my thing was here, right? Let's see. Yes. Save heaven rally. Yes. Save heaven rally. Is that right? So you cannot do a pullback because you are trying to save heaven your stuff. Huh. Interesting. So now the market is not in Elliott wave mode right now. So don't fall into those tricks, okay? Don't fall into an Elliott wave trick. It is not in Elliott wave mode right now. It's truly being sentimental. It is truly seeking for liquidity with a purpose right now. Just don't fall into any trap. So the market is telling you sell, go with it on pullbacks. Okay, on pullbacks until they break a very important area. Okay, so let me show you guys here. I'm gonna go into the 1 minute time frame. It's selling. You gotta, for example, you see when the market come and retest areas like this, that will be an important area. If it break this area like that, then you guys might looking at a shift of like something going up. But as long as it stays below these areas like this one, below that, those are pullbacks. And just sell the market and hit it with a purpose. Because they're saying might keep falling down. I honestly, familia, this is crazy. Like, why is it going down so much? It is brutal. It came down like a lot. It's rejecting the zone here, but it if it does break this, then we have bigger areas to fill, and that's all the way down here. I'm a little bit concerned about these pullbacks. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Going back to the area. Going back to the area. Is it gonna engage people there or not? Very interesting. Very interesting. Reaching out this area here, respecting it, and rejecting. But I think it's just gonna continue pushing down, down, down. Do you guys sell on that pullback by any chance? Do you guys sell on that pullback by any chance? Remember, we gotta focus in those pullbacks and sell in the market until they break these pullbacks. We gotta focus into selling the market, not buying the market. On pullbacks only. Interesting. Very interesting. It is a lot, and that hasn't been mitigated. Yes. DS said, I didn't, my friend, but I'm telling you what, my friend, I'm telling you what to do. Said, sell in the pullback. So I got into another sell here in the same area here, sell. And yeah, I'm 0-0 right now. But the only way to win is just controlling those lots, those contracts. I'm only opening 1 or 2 contracts at a time. I'm not going crazy right now. It's a Friday, and honestly, all it takes is the market to go up to the sky and put me in a huge negative. And it could happen any moment. So that's why I'm controlling that and putting very small stop losses, very tight trailing stops. And honestly, I'm expecting to have a loss here. I'm expecting to have at least 1 or 2 losses. If I lose 200, even 300, 400 bucks, I'm still winning. I'm expected to see that. It kicked me out of the trade right now because of the trailing stop. It kicked me out completely. When I see this behavior of the market coming up and down the same area, oh, shoot me. If buyers kick in, and again, my concern was the DXY. The DXY, it is right now in a very good position for any buyer to buy. And we are now clicking in the kill zone for ICT traders. I want to switch my hats and buy the market. I'm gonna, with 1 contract, I'm gonna buy the market and let it rip for the rest of the day. If it comes super low, I'm gonna get out. I'm just gonna risk some of my earnings. I'm seeing things there that it should start turning at any point and fill that entire session back up. Am I doing another Spanish session? Wifey wants to know. You guys love that you know, I went on a VIP, well, privately, with other traders yesterday. We were just talking in Spanish yesterday, and it went wild. It went wild. You know, when the Spanish people get together, we're loud. We're loud people. So I don't know. I probably could. I just don't want to be here for a long time. Probably. I'll ping you guys. You guys like a Spanish session? I can do an entire session here in Spanish for free. It's just I'm a different person when I switch my thing in Spanish. I'm a different person. I am not the same. I become loud. I become like, you know, who I am. In Spanish, by the way. There you go. Our buys is pretty good right now. It's working out pretty good. There you go. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Buying the market, familia. Buying the market. Buying the market. Buying the market. I'm gonna target this EMA on the top there to get out of that trade. It's filling up the area that I mentioned. That's what I saw, and I am in this buy and crushing it too. Trailing stop activated for me, a nice trailing stop. If I get out, I'm out. That's totally fine. It's just trailing down that price. Tony says, I become myself. It's not that. It's just like, you know, my main language is Spanish. So, you know, well, you guys know. But it's different. It's like there's so many slangs and things that we use in our language that, you know, when we're with friends together, we just enjoy it. And even in trading, like when I'm trading in Spanish, I don't take trading serious at all. Well, I do take it like the back of me. You know, my friends, sometimes we come, you know, we bring these ideas and we start talking about things. And if I don't see a clear entry, I just don't go for it. I could be joking about it, but it's still in me. But we you know, we argue, we fight, we laugh, we cry, we jump, we do all that stuff when we're trading together. We enjoy it a lot. You know, when the Spanish people are playing dominoes, they do the same in trading. And don't mix alcohol with trading, let me tell you. Don't mix alcohol with trading. You should not drink and trade. Okay, so our buys is making it, and I'm getting out right now. It reached the area that I was gonna exit. I'm exiting this buy position. The system that my friend had was impressive. Yes, it's all right. He's a coder too. He's been putting a lot of effort into this for some time, and we are always talking about it. And this is what you saw on the screen. There was a piece of art, something that we've been working for a long time. Mainly him. That's his baby. Like, he's always asking me questions about things, and because he started trading probably 2-3 years ago. So he doesn't know a lot about indicators, but he learned how to code things. The only thing, as I said to everyone, my problem with the indicators is that when indicators only show you what already happened. So by the time that you're in, you're probably already too late. So that's my only problem with indicators. But if you put something together that works, hey, whatever works, my friend. Who am I to tell you that you're wrong? I mean, if you talk about indicators, I got my screen filled with stuff here. Hey, it's what works. It's for the visuals, yeah, but it works. It's the same way. People have RSIs, people have EMAs, people have all kinds of things in trading that works for them, and hey, whatever works. All right, let's see. It looks like buyers are in the house, so I'm still buying the market. Waiting for the price to kick me out, because it's already reaching that level here. I'm just waiting for the market to kick me out or continue that rally up. The one thing I love about the NASDAQ is that one directional. When it goes into an area, it takes off, and you believe that, no, it's gonna come back, and it doesn't. It's just, and you're opening positions against the trend is a huge poison. That's how you burn accounts with NAS. You just have to be very careful. And if the market is giving you only $800 today, hey, enjoy that $800. If the market is only giving you $500, enjoy it. Don't get greedy. That's what I'm saying. Don't get greedy. Just take what the market is giving you slowly and steady and walk out with it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure all these other traders are trading right now and they're probably doing what they're supposed to be doing. Me, I think I'm gonna be done for the day soon. I already did the money I wanted for Friday, so. All right. It's rejecting the area right now. It's rejecting. That's why you see how the price came to the EMA and I got out. Exactly what I mentioned. I got out. I am good. My goodness. It's coming back down. It's coming back down. It's coming back down. It's coming back down. There you go. A lot of people that didn't get out are probably now crying about this trade. It's important to know when to get out of the trade. It's super important. And not get too greedy. Just control those lot sizes so you don't lose a lot when you lose. Add to the winning trades and cut those losing trades short. Just cut them out. Quick, boom, you're out. And the long ones, the ones that are supposed to be giving you the money, let them run. Let those run. Let the runners run. I cannot complain. Right now I'm 11-0, 11 trades, 0 losses so far, which is good. Let's see. If you are an Elliott Wave trader, it just did an Elliott Wave 2 right now, pushing the market down. Now it's trying to start an Elliott Wave 3, pushing the market back up. You know what? I'm gonna take this trade on an Elliott Wave 3. I'm gonna do 2 contracts and I'm gonna buy the market again. And I'm gonna put my stop loss below Elliott Wave number 2. Just in case he decided to pull. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put my stop loss below Elliott Wave 1, just in case I decide to do another lower low. But this is a good entry point to buy the market again. I'm buying the market again. 2 contracts. Two contracts on this, and I'm gonna let this cook. If the market decides to collapse and pull down again, I'm out. I'm out and I'm good. I probably risk there 80, 90 bucks. But if the market decides to do this Elliott Wave 3, you guys know Elliott Wave 3 is the longest way. So let's cash that payway. I can even put my stop loss here and be okay with it. I'm gonna show you my decisions here. You see how we came to the entry point, 70, 60? But it can come to even lower points, 88, 60, and it's still valid. That's what I said. I'm gonna put my stop loss below that point there. If it comes down even lower, I'll take a second hit. As long as it doesn't break this lower point here. As long as it doesn't break this. We are deep in profits, deep in profits, deep in profits again. Buying the market, those Elliott Wave traders. There you go, there you go, there you go. Oh my goodness. It's 1-to-1 right now. I'm gonna close this trade partial. I'm gonna close one contract and let the other one run. 12-0 so far, 12-0. We're catching this Elliott Wave 3, a clean Elliott Wave 3. And let's see. Clean Elliott Wave 3 on a Friday. clean Elliott wave 3 on a Friday. And that is fantastic. Let's go, familia. Let's go. AI it's been quiet lately, huh? AI is quiet. Let's see what AI is telling us right now. AI is telling us it's looking and searching and looking and looking and looking and looking and nothing and nothing and nothing. Oh yeah, well, what? It says to sell at 23,490 for futures. Oh, 23,490. 490. Oh, look, it's saying to sell around here. And your stop loss should be 505. 505 around here. Wow. AI, what are you doing, man? AI is saying to sell around here and put your stop loss. Not sure. 90. It's a pretty tight trade. It's going with the flow. That's what AI is saying right now. We're buying. I mean, we're following an Elliott wave right now. Elliott wave 3, pushing the market up. Let's see how far this Elliott wave 3 can go. 1, 2, 3. OMG, are you kidding me? Oh, okay. AI is always doing AI things. Okay, now I see what you're doing, AI. AI is giving me the retracement of an Elliott wave 4 and doesn't want to miss this trade here. So that's telling you to get in here and get out. In case that it breaks this zone, get out soon. I see. Huh. That's not bad, actually. To continue the rally pushing down, it is smart from AI. But we are on this rally of Elliott wave 3 on the buy. Slowly pushing the market up, and it should come here. That rally should finish around here. So I'm gonna cut it up all the way up there. Okay. All right. So we are in a rally, pushing the market up and making all the money in the world. Making all the money in the world. Making all the money in the world. Tony says, "Is that 335?" Maybe. What is 335? What is the name of that? It start with an F? It's not. One, two, this is a 3, and you guys can do this too. Just highlight this stuff like this. Highlight it like that. And now you are in the channel. Now you can visualize what you're doing, right? We're rolling a channel up. When it breaks the channel, you get out. It's gonna retesting this channel at several points, okay? So it's gonna do this. It's gonna be walking in the rain like this. Dun, 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 and doing that, okay? If it breaks the channel, then you're out. Okay? Control those lot sizes. Remember, control those contracts. Control the lots. Control the contracts. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. If you trade it already, made money, and you're done, don't trade anymore. Okay? So wave one, it started with an OB, with an order block. And why will you say that, Tony? Did you see an order block there? Just point it out. Can you point here why you see a formation of an order block? If you look at now the 5-minute time frame, what is the behavior of an order block? And order blocks usually like to be happening around here. A clean order block, maybe in the 15 minutes. What would be the behavior of an order block that you can say, hey, yes, it's an order block? A legit order block. Do you see that behavior here? Not really. So this is just a continuation of price. Now you can find order blocks all in other places behind, yes. But in there, I don't see one clear based on what's on the books. Now, Elliott waves. Yes, just follow the Elliott waves. And there's a clean Elliott wave there. Clean Elliott wave, clean Elliott wave. That's why I got into the buy position again, because I got that confirmation that we all know that we learned how to trade that. And for those who don't know, I'll teach it all the time. And for those who are willing to come and learn it, you guys can come and join us and ask for it, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right. There you go, familia. Elliott wave 3, Elliott wave 3 in the making. Just ride the wave. Where did Elliott wave? Okay, I'm gonna put it here for you, okay, Tony. Boom, boom, boom. So what are we here? Elliott wave 3 all the way here. Elliott wave 4 probably around here, and then Elliott wave 5. Starting from the bottom now, we're here. Starting from the bottom on the there. That's a map. I'm giving you the map, and now you do whatever you want with it. Now, is it gonna happen like this? I don't know. Just gotta see and adjust the Elliott wave as the price plays out. But it's following a clean Elliott wave, clean Elliott wave, clean Elliott wave, clean Elliott wave, and I'm gonna measure. Look at that, right out of the 76.50. It's beautiful, beautiful. And now, because it's so beautiful, you can give her flowers and ask her out and all that stuff, right? Now, if it's so beautiful, now you can have more precision. That here, it's probably the target for this Elliott wave 3 right here. It's nice. Now I can delete this. You're beautiful. So true. There you go. And it's just gonna go slowly up there, and it can reject even earlier. But what you do, you trailing stop this trade slowly. You trailing stop it. You trailing. When I say trailing stop it, whatever you put your stop loss when you started, this is stop loss here should start moving slowly and covering your entry. You're in profit. Don't exit it. Just cover your entry. When the market pull down and it hit your stop loss, you're out with whatever you made here. That's how you manage this trade. All right. And for those who say, oh, this guy is not a legit trader, you guys can come and see every recording. And I'm giving you explanations and absolutely everything you guys want live every morning, family. I don't care anymore. This is recorded for you guys to then you guys can do the look at the replay. Okay, look at the replay, and as I'm explaining and giving you the game plan, and you see I built this game plan within less than 14-15 minutes. And when I came here, this was my first view of the market. I didn't look at the market the entire night. I was not looking at any chart. I wasn't looking at anything. I just went in it, boom, 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 executed. Obviously, I did, because you guys know what I do earlier. I didn't know what was going on with the news events. Okay, I wasn't trading or looking at the charts. I was literally gathering a lot of information before doing this. A lot of information for more than 40 minutes. But at the sentiment of the market, I already knew what was going on about the inflation and everything else. Now, what the market is giving us, this was live here. So what Iona says, so you just see what's happening. I read the price action of the market mainly, but the sentiment of the market, Iona, I already knew what was going on. Way 40 minutes before that. Because I have to make a report, fill it up, and then send that. But I wasn't looking at the charts at all. But knowing that, that's how I know, like, okay, well, when I first sat here, you guys can see it in the recording, I was unsure of whether the market was going to go to the top or go for the bottom, because it had to go to the top based on what the market was doing. You guys saw the DXY. The price should have come higher, but in understanding what liquidity was, it should have just come lower. So it's the same thing for an investor in the stock market. They're sitting behind and putting all that stuff in there. They know the sentiment. They know where liquidity is sitting. They know where things should be flowing. So they develop a game plan. They say, okay, for the market to go from point A to point B, we need fuel. Where is the fuel sitting down? It's here. Let the buyers kick in and get the price where it's supposed to go. So what are we gonna do? I'm gonna become a seller. Let the sellers control the area right now. So sellers, they kick in, boom, bring the market down, and then for the rest of the day, it's slowly pushing the market back up. That's how it works. If they see an opportunity, if there was no sentiment about inflation, nothing else, and they see the price of the DXY on the moon or whatever, or on the floor, right away, instantly, they make a decision based on that. But you guys saw how gold was, safe haven, and you guys saw where the DXY was. So an investor would look at those elements and be like, yes, boom, that's where we're going. That's our game plan. They're not, at that point, they're not thinking even about retailers or, LPs or none of that. So they just execute, seeking for liquidity. That's all. And you, as a retail trader, now trained this way, you just gotta wait for the opportunity and follow it. Read it and follow it. And that's when we started the morning. That's what we were looking at. We knew our bias was to go lower, targeting the areas that I mentioned. But I needed to see what was the reaction of the market. If the market was gonna come up first, hey, you gotta let them go. But then the market decided to go down, and we just follow it because that's where we knew the bias was gonna go. Trailing stop it and letting the market kick us out. That's why I have right now 12-0, 12 wins, 0 losses. Every time I'm out of the trade, it's my trailing stop that it's just following the price, and pullback kicks me out and I'm out. And I got whatever I got. You just follow that repeatedly, every single day, and you're gonna end up on the other side. When you look at your account, you're like, oh my God, I just did $1,000 today in one day. You know how much Uber you gotta do to do $1,000 in a day? My friend. And it hasn't been not even an hour. Well, it's been a little bit over an hour now, but or delivering pizza or cleaning houses, like whatever people are doing out there, it takes a lot of them to do that. If you spend 6-8 months learning this, you know, and you get together with a nice group of people that will lift you up, you're gonna end up on the other side winning as much as they are. Again, you gotta grab that bull by the horn. Or either you sit and watch others make money, or you join them. One of the two. Because then it might be too late. You know, don't live with regrets. Those people that are hitting their 70s, their 80s, their 90s, and they only look bad and they say, I wish I could have done that differently. This is your time to do it differently. I'm telling you, this is your time to do it differently. Don't wait. Life is too short and precious. Okay? All right, so right now I am not in any trade, and it's doing a nice pullback for those who want to jump in any other trade. It's, again, look at the channel. See, you see that, familia? You got to adjust those channels. You got to adjust the channels as the things are coming through. I'm not at the trade right now. It kicked me out again. And if the price decide to pull back up and do a nice clean move and get everybody out and happy, that's it. That's what the market's giving you. Don't get too greedy, okay? Don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy. All right. So from my end, I think I'm gonna stop trading. For Friday, it's been okay. I'll show you my replay of things here. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh, my screen is just too small. I'm gonna probably add more screens to this. So I'll show you guys here basically the results of today's trade. Oh, come on. Where is my screen? There you go. That's today's trade, just 800 bucks. So number of trades, 13 trades and 0 losses. You guys can see all the results here of how I manage these trades. So all of them pretty good. I'm okay with that number for today. For Friday is more than okay. On that account, there's more accounts to be traded. But for Fridays, you gotta now be careful, because then the market can kick you in the nuts and not be a profitable day. Right. All right, familia, thank you for joining us and be part of this. We're gonna kick it again on next. I'm gonna see if I can do something special on Sunday for everyone on the VIP, and probably we'll start the challenge on this Sunday. Okay. For those who want to join us again, remember to come and have fun in our WhatsApp group. Just click that barcode here on the screen and it will take you directly into our WhatsApp. All right, thank you so much, familia. Have yourself an amazing rest of the day. God bless you all. Take care.
Goodbye.